This is Sunday, July 26, 2026. Current time is 7:24 in the p.m. For the 30-day at the end of last month, for the month of July, the gravitational point has been the statistical mean. It tagged it one time pretty perfectly, tagged it again pretty perfectly. Went to about, I'd say that it's positive 1 deviation at the time. Here's positive 2 and then positive 3. That's why I was expecting to make more resistance. Since it's stayed within statistics by far. It's not went beyond the scope of what's within actual reason. Try it for the week. You are in a downward trend currently, or you was. If it stays above the halfway level between these two, then which I guess I don't have the no. Right here's the bottom average daily range. Here's the top average daily range. They are getting to where they are getting closer than further away, so that means that consolidation can easily happen. For the week though, what I have for potential support and resistance is as follows: is the -3 deviation right here to positive 3 deviation right there. That's what many market participants see as potential for resistance and or support. Does that mean that will be it? No, it does not. Never does. It just means that's on a statistical basis is a better time to look at it and see if it's potential for rejection or support. You, like for me, like if it's in the middle, it's unwise to make a trade based off that. But if it's at the lower end of the spectrum, then it's more wise to look at it at that time and possibly get long. Since it hasn't really tickled with too much of what I had for the month of July, except those 2 times, which in hindsight saw as 2020, but as of right now on the RSI on a 5-minute showing up as being overbought. Again, you're at the statistical mean for the week already. It tagged it perfectly on Friday evening and then rejected and found some support from prior support. So for whatever reason that took off from there, I don't know. Was it super clean? No, it was not. On the daily, Wine got to positive 3 deviation, rejected again, overbought. And you're at the statistical mean on the week. And on a daily's down here. So you already tagged into what it was for the daily. It looks powerful, stronger. A better look at it would be to set, if you're just going to like day trade this, get into it at the statistical mean on a daily would be a better look than currently right now. But it does look more powerful. I don't know what all happened over the weekend that made the markets appear more bullish than bearish. But yeah, that also has some weight. I have my alert set on the longer term time frame here. That's what I'll be looking for potentials. Again, like from Sunday to Monday, it should gravitate back down here. Then if it wants to stay really bullish, then it will make support there. If to me it looks very bullish right now. A pullback to here, make many items kick on to buy it back up to either retry this and reject from there, or push through. Usually it may take it 2 to 3 times to really push through. But a pullback to here would be, again, many items see that as being a buying opportunity. And I'm not the only one. That's really easy to see there. It's the only thing that rocket surgeon. Anyway, hope you're happy, healthy, well, goodbye.